Hello, welcome to the worklog for the Bezy font editor project for February 6th, 2025. Um, I will show you the current state of the project. We'll load a UFO file and you can see here we have panning, and we have zooming. It's pinch zooming on my laptop, so it's a little bit tricky. We have our edit modes. We have our Bezy world space over here, and we're in the process of creating the UFO font design space, which is a kind of coordinate system, and we will adjust the Bezy world space to pan and zoom around it. Let me show you the code I'm working on. So today I spent some time just kind of refactoring the basic app. You can see the way this works is we're creating our app up here. We're doing the window config, the window plugins. We've got some resources we're putting in. The Winit settings desktop app, this actually kind of like tells it to stop looping when there's not input. Set the background color. We've got the plugins, so for doing images. These are our startup functions and our update functions. So these are all functions that run when we start the program, and these are all functions we iterate through waiting for input. And let's see, we worked on our camera stuff today. We've got this camera state struct, which has our zoom and position. We've got the default implementation for the camera state. So that's zoom at 1. And a vector, vec20 just means it's an x and y coordinate, and we're setting them both to 0. So that's like a shorthand thing. We've got our camera zoom function. So we've got like our like deltas here. And this is all pretty straightforward. Camera pan. So I haven't fully implemented the pan mode yet. Just for now, like this is just the way you do it. So it's keyboard input for the traditional gamer keys. And a couple of helper things down here. And yeah, so I'm just going to do some more work today setting up the design space coordinates and doing like some more kind of just cleaning up the existing code base and getting everything kind of simple and tidied up. Part of the goal with this project is I really want this to be the kind of thing where it's almost like a learning tool. So the source code, I want to intentionally make it easy to read and look at and learn from in a way that like I think some other like open source font editors wouldn't like optimize for. So this is optimized for both kind of like reading and learning how the software works, but also for people using tools like Cursor. You can kind of see, you know, I do a lot of the programming for this in Cursor. So people that kind of use that that chat AI assisted style of programming, I want them to feel really comfortable jumping into the source code and seeing how things work I think the thing that really kind of initially sold me on this kind of thing is like things like QBasic, where QBasic was designed in a way where it kind of intentionally pushes you towards like actually looking at the source code instead of keeping you away from it. Yeah, so I'm just going to keep going, and that's the update for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.